Yeah, I'm Tyler Hockenberry. I'm a systems engineer at Rayburn. I've been there for about 2 years, but I have 8 years of experience in the field. So to tell you a little bit about Rayburn, we were founded in 1979, so we're fairly young in the cooperative world. We are one of 62 G&T co-ops in the US. We have 4 distribution members that serve over 500,000 Texans across 16 counties. We have 75 employees. Well, now it's about 80. This is dated a little bit. I did this about 2 months ago. We're growing pretty fast. In 2016, we took on our members' transmission assets. So we are now the TOP and the TO for them. So we're no longer just a paper G&T. We control those assets for our members. So what led us to StationCentral? One of our generators that we are part owners of, we're trying to get them to participate in the ancillary service market. And the non-spin data that is sent out from ERCOT comes in via XML instead of ICCP. So that was a problem for us trying to bring that into our secure network. We don't allow any outside information into our secure area unless it's from a trusted source, if it's directly from our relays or from our RTACs. So that was a big issue of trying to integrate third-party applications as well. We spoke with Survalent. We were able to bring in an XML, parse that data, and convert it to DNP and use that within our system, and then pass that along via ICCP to the generator. But it just wasn't a good solution bringing in the third-party applications, so that was something that we had to work around just due to the NERC CIP requirements. So we also wanted to, it wasn't just one use case, we have a couple different use cases. So we're also trying to export data to our SQL database. We're doing a pretty large project with our power supply group, as well as with our member cooperatives of creating dashboards within Power BI. We also want to export data to our GIS system, and that's also through the SQL database. So the solution that we came up with, working with Ilya and his team, we have a local version of StationCentral that sits outside of our ESP, it's not in the secure network, and a cloud version of StationCentral that ties to the SQL database. So with the local version, we're able to bring that data in and use a third-party application to parse the data from the XML file that then converts it to DNP, and then we send that via ICCP into our secure network. So all the same protocols like Ilya mentioned are usable within StationCentral, and with that we were able to reduce a lot of our compliance obligations since this was not in the secure network. You know, SIP 2 all the way through SIP 13, just because of the vendor. We're already using Survalent, so we already have all the agreements in place. And so with the cloud StationCentral, we are able to let our members connect to that version of StationCentral. So we're passing data to and from. We had a SEL RTAC that we were using to send data out, and that's how our members were getting data from us, but we weren't allowing them to send data to us. So now with this solution, we are now able to do that and send data both ways. And we're also able to send data to our power supply group with the SQL database. They are able to tie onto the back end of that. And again, same protocols. So the benefits, we're able to eliminate the RTAC. We strengthen our cybersecurity program, and StationCentral it's already the ADMS that we're used to. So very simple, very easy to use. STC Explorer, SmartView, it's all the same. And for our members, they now have several options of how to send and receive data from us. And we also have, just a comprehensive data solution, between DERs, other entities. We already have another solution in place with a non-member who we have an agreement with to buy power from one of the power plants that we just purchased. We're going to use StationCentral to send them the data that they need.